Monday.
Let's talk soybeans on this Monday morning, shall we? Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission. Charlene, it is Happy National Soy Food Month, first of all, right? I didn't wish you that yet.
It is. It's April's National Soy Foods Month, and we have a free gift for everyone.
For everybody?
Yeah, anyone who wants to call our office can get this new Soy Foods Guide. It's 30-some pages of recipes and information about why soy is healthy and why you should include it.
Will you sign a copy for me, Charlene?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Maybe
if
over
if
here.
callers.
Yes,
Right. Okay. All right, Charlene.
So this is one of the recipes in it, and it's such a simple side dish. It's roasted sweet potatoes.
Oh, roasted sweet potatoes are the best.
And we just cut them into, I don't know, try to keep them about the same size, but 3/4 inch cubes there. And to that, we are going to add tofu.
Okay.
And this is firm tofu.
That's a soy product right there.
That's the soy product.
Okay.
And if you've never tried it before, this recipe is really going to take on the flavor of our balsamic vinegar. And this, Denisha, I was going to have you add that, and you can just kind of drizzle that in there.
And it's a special way you make it, too.
It is. It was a 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar that I put in a saucepan with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then just cook that over low heat.
Should I use
until,
this?
yeah, you sure can. Get all that in there, all that flavor.
There we go.
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
good.
Yum.
And you can see how our finished product is brown over here, but that's that vinegar here. But you just want to stir this and then cover it. How easy is this recipe?
That's easy.
Yeah.
And it's so fun. You can actually, I remember telling you, you can smell it before it's even cooked. It's
That
so,
balsamic vinegar really adds a nice flavor. So once that's covered, we're going to put this on a baking sheet and bake it at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. And in 20 minutes, we'd want to stir it so that it covers and coats it some more, and then another 20 minutes. So a total of 40 minutes cooking time. And then I like to just check with a fork and make sure those sweet potatoes are nice and tender. And you have a side dish, and you will love it. You will not even know that there's really tofu in here.
It is a secret. So there's a side dish. Let's see if I can bring it up without dumping the entire thing on the table. There we go. You don't even know that the tofu is in there. Like you said, it takes on the color almost as well.
It does,
Nice
and that
brown.
balsamic vinegar gives it that great flavor and coats all the potatoes
That it
and
does.
the tofu.
Website as well. If they don't want the paper guide, they can get it online.
They can go to kansassoybeans.org.
Okay, and next half hour, we're making what?
Well, it's an edamame corn salad, and we've kind of done some versions of this, but this one we're going to roast in the oven first and then make it into a salad. And all these recipes are in the new Soy Foods Guide.
Nice.
Charlene Patton. We'll be right back with Charlene next half hour. We'll be right back.